Do you want to make money online on complete autopilot and without doing any work once you set this up? If you do, then perfect. This is the video for you, and you might want to keep watching. Today, I will share with you this brand new site that I've never mentioned before on my channel, through which you can make a lot of money online in purely passive income. But only if you actually set this up properly. If you don't, then this simply won't work out for you. So you'll want to keep watching so you know exactly what you need to do. And with all of that said, let's get into this tutorial, guys. As you have heard, today I have a passive income strategy to share with you, and it's not that complicated whatsoever, as you will all soon see. Just 4 platforms are involved. The first one is a site called fueltalk.com, and you can see on their homepage, this is a place where you can go if you want to grow your TikTok account. If you scroll down, you can see that through this website, you can purchase TikTok likes, views, and of course, TikTok followers. And no, don't worry, I won't tell you to create a TikTok account and then use this tool to grow. That actually couldn't be any further from what we actually want to do with this website. And as such, most of the features this platform offers aren't relevant, and I won't waste your time going over them. So let's get to the point. What you want to do once you come onto this platform is as follows. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page, then click on Affiliates right over here. We will indeed want to promote this as an affiliate, and there are several huge reasons why. First and foremost, a lot of people will be interested in a site like this. If you're promoting something that not a lot of people need, then you simply won't make that many sales, thus you won't be able to make that much money. Thanks to the fact that there are over 1 billion TikTok users as of right now, promoting a website like Fuel Talk can turn out to be insanely profitable. The vast majority of users on TikTok will not have hundreds of thousands of followers and will need a tool like this to help them grow. And chances are that if you tell them about it, they will definitely want to check it out, if not, give it a try. Speaking of them trying this site out, a feature that is tremendously helpful when you're trying to convince someone to try something out that you're promoting as an affiliate is a free trial. This is because people don't need to pay the site you're promoting right away. This will of course make it that much easier to persuade them to try this platform out, because they basically stand to lose nothing because they're not investing any of their money. Once they see that the website actually works and they conclude that it would be worth their investment, which will be the case most of the time, they'll want to pay this website, and when they do, you will get paid as well. And if you're wondering how much money they pay you in commissions, you can see on this page here that they offer 30% commissions, which is most definitely above average. Nothing too special, but they're good commissions to say the least. In summary, guys, this site's affiliate program will pay you really well. A lot of people would need a website like this thanks to TikTok's insane popularity, and thanks to the free trial, you won't have any trouble convincing people to try the platform out because they're not forced to invest any money into it right away. The latter feature of this website will be that much more important when I show you 2 traffic sources you can use, where you'll be able to find thousands upon thousands of people who need this website and who we know are interested in growing their TikTok accounts. So make sure you keep watching. With that said, what I need you to do now, guys, is sign up to this Fuel Talks affiliate program. Enter in your full name in these 2 boxes here. Your email address and password go in the respective boxes below. The latter you will also need to retype as well, by the way. And once you fill in all of this info, to sign up, just tick this box here and click on the submit button just below. With that done, what you now need to do is go over to your Gmail account, and you want to find and open a message from Fuel Talk that will look something like this. And just click on Verify here to verify that the email address you entered actually belongs to you. And now that you have that done, you will be able to log into your brand new account on Fuel Talk and grab your affiliate link. And by the way, guys, keep in mind that it will take a bit of time until you get accepted into the affiliate program, anywhere from 24 hours all the way up to a few days, so make sure you stay patient. Once you do get accepted and you receive the affiliate link, you will now be able to promote Fuel Talk. And once that happens, you'll now want to go over to the first traffic source I have for you today. That traffic source is a site called Quora.com, a place most of you already know where people come and ask questions regarding just about anything, and then they'll get answers from members of the community. And if you come over to a site called similarweb.com, you will be able to see the exact statistics on Quora's popularity. As you can see, Quora has been visited by over 500 million people in the past month. This just goes to show you how popular the website is, and this, of course, is important for me to mention because a website's popularity will directly impact the amount of money you will be able to make through the website when using it as a traffic source. What you'll need to do on Quora when you come onto the site is sign up if you haven't already. The sign up button should be located somewhere around here, and you'll want to click on it and sign up to the site. Once you do so, here's what you want to do now. Type in the search bar something along the lines of, "How can I grow on TikTok?" "How to grow my TikTok account?" Just type in something like that. It doesn't have to be those exact keywords. Regardless of what you typed in exactly, you'll now be able to see hundreds, if not thousands, of questions regarding growth on TikTok. And you'll now want to answer as many of them as you possibly can and share your affiliate link to Fuel Talk in each and every answer. And by the way, here's a tip. Don't just share your affiliate link and type in, "Check this website out to grow on TikTok." You'll instead want to provide some value first. Go over to Google and search for the best tips on growing on TikTok and basically copy and paste that in your answer. And only then will you want to write something like, "If you want to get maximum growth, check out this tool here." And then leave your affiliate link next to that. In this fashion, guys, it won't be so obvious that you're promoting Fuel Talk, which in turn will allow you to get more clicks on your affiliate link. You can also mention the free trial of the website as well if you want to. I'd reckon that should get you more clicks. Basically, you'll want to answer all of these questions in the same way. And the best part about this is that people who ask the actual questions won't be the only ones to see the answer, but all of the people who searched on Google for growing on TikTok and then opened up Quora will be able to see it. This means that the vast majority of people, and there will be a lot of them thanks to Quora's insane popularity, who will see your answer will be interested in growing on TikTok, meaning that many of them will check out the platform and make you money when they do so, and an absolutely passive income as well, as promised. The second way you can get traffic, which in my opinion is far more efficient, is through the use of YouTube. You will want to create a video like some of these people have about growing on TikTok, and I can guarantee you that the said video will get a lot of views, just like all of these videos here. This is all thanks to TikTok's popularity I mentioned way back in the beginning. By the way, you don't need to record yourself talking about TikTok. You can instead record your own screen, as I'm doing right now, and just go over all of Fuel Talk's features in the said video, including the free trial, which should get you a lot more clicks than otherwise would be the case. Once you finish your video, just go ahead and upload it onto YouTube and leave your affiliate link in the description. And literally, thousands may see it. And whenever some of them click on your link and try the website out, you will get paid, and in passive income as well. Combine YouTube with Quora and you'll be able to make a lot of money doing nothing from here, basically. They are two huge platforms where you can find a lot of people who will gain great value from Fuel Talk. If you are interested in more of my videos, then be sure to click on the ones that are going to pop up on the screen right now. If you liked this video of mine, then please leave a like down below. Every single one is highly appreciated. If you don't want to miss out on the new content that's already on its way, then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. As always, thank you for watching and see you all soon in some of the upcoming videos.